This subVI complements the behavior of the utility subVI called bits to words. This one just undoes that result. So we start out with a two-dimensional Boolean array called our word stream, and ultimately we want to reshape that back into a one-dimensional array. Now the thing I'm looking for here is called add dimension. This is one of those things where you have to be in the right area to find it. So on the front panel we can add a dimension. Now we've got a two-dimensional Boolean array. So to accomplish our reshaping task, we need to know the array size, and this is an arbitrary two-dimensional array for us, so we need to be aware of both dimensions. So array size, actually in this case we see it's giving us a 1D array as a result. So I'll populate my input word stream a bit just to see what kind of information we get from array size. Now I'll remind you that I'm only doing this for illustrative purposes. When you're creating the subVI on your own, there's no need for you to actually fill in the word stream with values. Now what I'm looking at here is just to try to pin down which dimension means what. So we see that element 0 of the result of array size corresponds to the total number of elements, or the total number of blocks that we have to deal with. Now here's a very nice mathematical operation. This says form the product of all of the individual array elements. And that's actually what we're needing here, because we would say that our two-dimensional array, when we multiply the dimensions together, that tells us the total number of elements in the array. And that's actually the length of the bit stream that we need. So once we know the total length of the one-dimensional bit stream, then we can go ahead and use reshape array. And reshape array can be then used to turn our two-dimensional array back into a one-dimensional array, knowing the number of total elements for that 1D array.